Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul. Along with the Dollar Tree haul, I'm gonna add some few items that I picked up from Giant Dollar here in Houston. So as you can see, I did pick up another tote bag. I do have plenty of them from the Dollar Tree. They're so cute. I'm actually on the hunt for the cactus one. I'm crossing my fingers that it does come to my Dollar Trees, and so I can at least get myself one because they're so cute. So this one's so pretty. We have the cheetah with the sun, the bird, and then the back is the same thing. So I did pick up one. I got me some reindeer moss for a DIY that I have in mind, and more rocks for that same DIY. I purchased this one and this one for that DIY. So I'm actually gonna record it and share it here with you guys since this video is not gonna be that long. And then I picked up a head massager. These are so nice. Whenever you're doing the massage in your head, you just put this on your head and just scrape like if you're scratching your head, but it tickles you, but in the best way. I picked up 3 of the command hooks for another DIY that I have in mind. Another items that I picked up are the planner stickers, guys. I did pick up 2 of these ones. They did have a third one, but I decided to pass on that. This one and this one has 2 of the little sheet that they are the same. So the other one that they did have 2 similar ones to this one's, which is the unicorn. So I decided to pass on that one and just pick up this 2. And of course I picked double of this one because this one was my favorite one. So I'm gonna show you real quick the sheet.
Close your eyes. Would you dream for me some paradise? Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Okay guys, so I think that's pretty much everything from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna share, I have 6 items from Giant Dollar store and I have 2 items from Walmart. So I'm gonna start with Walmart. I did purchase 2 of this lavender picks for 97 cents. Now for the other different DIY, I did pick up 6 of these hydrangeas. They were $109 at Giant Dollar. Giant Dollar is a dollar store here in Houston. Most of their items are $109 plus tax. I did purchase 6 of these hydrangea flowers. I think they're so gorgeous. So this is for another DIY that I have in mind. I will be recording. Make sure you subscribe in case you want to see that DIY coming up. So that's pretty much everything, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you around on my next video. Bye. Okay guys, so one last item that I forgot to mention that I purchased was this floral foam, and I did pick up 3 of them. And these are the ones that I'm gonna actually use for the DIY with the hydrangeas that I picked up from Giant Dollar, and I'll be making the video for that, so you should stay tuned and hit that subscribe button if you want to see that. Okay guys, so I'm going to share the DIY that I was gonna do. These items were from Walmart. I did pick them up a while back for I think $5, no, $4 or $5, I can't remember. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some of these cutters, but I'm gonna cut them because I'm gonna single them out. I don't want them like that in the bush connected. Then I'll be adding some of the reindeer moss and some of this pretty rocks. I'm gonna be adding the rocks first and then the moss. I had candy there, but I'm not liking the idea. It doesn't look pretty and nice how I want it. So I'm gonna move the candy somewhere else.
Open the moss. And I don't want to make so much of a mess. So this is all I'm doing. Hope the lining is a little bit better. And I'm just gonna put them in there. I think it's gonna be so cute. Now you're gonna just have to struggle with it.
So that's basically it, guys. I really loved how it turned out. I did end up putting them on my kitchen window. I previously had the succulents there, so I removed the succulents and put them on the tray, and the mason jars I put them on the window. So I think this just a great combination in both of them, and I really enjoyed doing this video. I hope you did too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.